Are jellyfish immortal? Now, there's a question that doesn't pop up in everyday conversation, but it's one that has puzzled marine biologists and curious minds alike for years. Today, we're diving into the enigmatic world of jellyfish, these ethereal dancers of the deep, to uncover the truth behind this intriguing question. Jellyfish, or sea jellies as they are accurately called, are some of the most ancient and mysterious creatures on our planet. They've graced our oceans for over 500 million years, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth. With their translucent bodies and graceful movements, they paint an almost otherworldly picture, one that is as captivating as it is perplexing. But what really sets jellyfish apart is the rumor of their immortality. Yes, you heard it right, immortality. While it sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, there's a hint of truth to it. There's a particular species, the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the Benjamin Button of the sea, that has a unique ability. It can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew, effectively granting it the power to defy death. Now, isn't that something? However, it's not all about eternal life. Jellyfish are far more complex and fascinating than that. They're incredibly diverse, coming in a multitude of shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be as tiny as a pinhead or as large as a human. Some even light up like a neon sign, thanks to a phenomenon called bioluminescence. But their beauty doesn't come without a sting. Quite literally. Jellyfish are known for their venomous tentacles, which they use to stun or kill their prey. But don't worry, not all jellyfish are harmful to humans. There's so much more to these enigmatic creatures than meets the eye. So, buckle up. We're just getting started. Stay with us as we unravel the secrets of these fascinating marine creatures. The life cycle of a jellyfish is anything but ordinary. Let's delve into the 4 fascinating stages of a jellyfish's life cycle: the larval stage, the polyp stage, the ephira stage, and the medusa stage. Each stage is a unique chapter in the life of a jellyfish, filled with growth, transformation, and a touch of mystique. Our journey begins with the larval stage. After the male and female jellyfish release their sperm and eggs into the water, fertilization occurs, and the resulting offspring are called larvae. These tiny, free-swimming creatures are just a speck in the vast ocean, but they carry the potential of becoming magnificent medusas. Next comes the polyp stage. The larvae settle onto a hard surface, like a rock or the ocean floor, and transform into polyps. These polyps resemble miniature sea anemones, standing tall and stationary with their mouth and tentacles facing upward. They may remain in this stage for several months or even years, feeding and growing in the safety of their chosen abode. The ephira stage is where things get a little more exciting. The polyp undergoes a process called strobilation, where it starts to segment itself into a stack of rings. Each ring then detaches to become an ephira, a juvenile jellyfish. This transformation is a truly remarkable spectacle, a testament to the wonders of marine life. Finally, we reach the medusa stage, the one we're most familiar with. The ephira grows into a full-sized, bell-shaped medusa, complete with long, trailing tentacles. This is the adult stage of a jellyfish, where they can reproduce and continue the cycle. The sight of a medusa floating gracefully through the water is one of nature's most enchanting visuals. From a tiny larva to a stunning medusa, the life cycle of a jellyfish is a captivating journey. Each stage is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these creatures, painting a vivid picture of life beneath the waves. And with that, we conclude our exploration of the jellyfish life cycle. But hang tight, we still have plenty more to uncover in the mysterious world of jellyfish. A jellyfish may look simple, but its anatomy is truly extraordinary. The anatomy of a jellyfish may seem uncomplicated at first glance, but it is a remarkable example of evolutionary perfection. Composed of over 95% water, these ethereal creatures are a captivating blend of simplicity and complexity. Let's start with the bell. The bell, or umbrella, is the most identifiable part of a jellyfish. It's not just for show, it serves as the jellyfish's primary means of locomotion. By contracting and relaxing the bell in rhythmic pulses, a jellyfish propels itself through the water. The bell's interior houses the jellyfish's rudimentary nervous system, a decentralized network that controls movement and reactions to stimuli. Next, we move to the jellyfish's tentacles. These long, slender appendages radiate from the edges of the bell. They are lined with specialized cells called cnetocytes, each containing a tiny harpoon-like structure. When a jellyfish encounters prey or a threat, these cells fire, releasing stingers that paralyze or kill. Despite their delicate appearance, jellyfish tentacles are a formidable weapon. Now, onto the oral arms. These are the frilly, curtain-like structures that dangle from the center of the bell. They serve a dual purpose. Firstly, they guide food, paralyzed by the tentacles, into the jellyfish's mouth. Secondly, in some species, they play a role in reproduction, carrying fertilized eggs until they are ready to be released. Finally, the jellyfish's mouth, located at the center of the bell's underside, functions both as an entry and exit point. Ingesting prey and expelling waste through the same opening might seem inefficient, but for the jellyfish, it's a streamlined solution that eliminates the need for a complex digestive system. In summary, each part of a jellyfish, the bell, tentacles, oral arms, and mouth, plays a critical role in its survival. These creatures are a testament to the power of evolutionary design, demonstrating that even the simplest organisms can be extraordinarily sophisticated. With a body made to survive, jellyfish are marvels of marine biology. Ever wondered what makes a jellyfish sting so painful? Well, it's all about their secret weapon, cnetocytes. These are specialized cells that jellyfish have, and they're what make jellyfish so uniquely equipped for survival in the wild. You see, each cnetocyte contains a tiny, coiled, harpoon-like structure called a nematocyst. When a jellyfish feels threatened or comes into contact with potential prey, these nematocysts spring into action. They fire out rapidly, piercing the unsuspecting victim and injecting venom. This process happens incredibly quickly, in a matter of microseconds, and it's powered by a change in the concentration of certain ions inside the cnetocyte. This makes it one of the fastest cellular processes known to science. Now, what about the effect of a jellyfish sting on US humans? Well, it's not pleasant, as anyone who's felt a jellyfish sting can tell you. The venom injected by the nematocysts is designed to immobilize prey and ward off predators. For humans, this venom causes a range of symptoms, such as intense pain, redness, and swelling. In severe cases, it can even lead to cardiovascular collapse and, although rare, death. It's important to remember that the severity of a sting can vary greatly depending on the species of jellyfish. Despite this, it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to treat jellyfish stings, such as rinsing the affected area with vinegar or soaking it in hot water. These methods can help to deactivate the venom and alleviate the pain, though it's always advisable to seek medical attention if you've been stung by a jellyfish, especially if you start experiencing severe symptoms. So there you have it, the secret behind the infamous jellyfish sting. It's a fascinating example of evolution at work, providing these creatures with a powerful defense mechanism. But it's also a potent reminder of the respect we must have for these fascinating marine dwellers. After all, they've been around for hundreds of millions of years, far longer than us humans. A jellyfish's sting is a potent defense mechanism, one that we're all too familiar with. Jellyfish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Let's explore their diversity. In the vast expanse of our oceans, jellyfish can be found in every corner, each type flaunting its unique characteristics. From the smallest irukandji to the giant Nomura's jellyfish, these marine creatures captivate us with their distinctive allure and fascinating life stories. The irukandji, a type of box jellyfish, is a tiny wonder. Barely bigger than a cubic centimeter, it's one of the most venomous creatures on the planet. Found in the warm waters off Australia's northern coast, their stings, although rarely fatal, can cause severe pain, a phenomenon known as irukandji syndrome. In stark contrast to the minuscule irukandji is the Nomura's jellyfish. These behemoths can grow up to 2 meters in diameter and weigh as much as 200 kilograms. Native to the waters of the Pacific Ocean between China and Japan, they're among the largest jellyfish species in the world. Let's not forget the moon jellyfish, a common sight in aquariums worldwide. Named for their translucent moon-like bell, they're known for their gentle, slow-moving nature. Their diet consists mainly of plankton, small fish, and other tiny organisms. And then there's the lion's mane jellyfish, the largest known species of jellyfish. With a bell that can reach over 2 meters in diameter and tentacles that can extend for more than 30 meters, it truly is a sight to behold. Found in the cold boreal waters of the Arctic, northern Atlantic, and northern Pacific Oceans, their sting can cause temporary pain and redness in humans. Lastly, we have the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, a species with a unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew, effectively rendering it potentially immortal. From the smallest to the largest, jellyfish are a testament to the diversity of marine life. Jellyfish play a crucial role in our oceans, but what exactly is their role? You might be surprised to learn just how significant these fascinating creatures are to the health and balance of our marine ecosystems. Jellyfish are like the unsung heroes of the ocean, their role often overlooked or misunderstood. They are part of a complex web of life, serving as both predators and prey in the marine food chain. They feast upon a variety of organisms, including small fish, plankton, and even other jellyfish. This might seem a bit grim, but it's all part of maintaining the delicate balance of the ocean. Their role as prey cannot be overstated. Many marine creatures, from the tiny sea turtle hatchlings to the majestic sunfish, rely on jellyfish as a major food source. Without jellyfish, these creatures would struggle to survive, and the ripple effect could be catastrophic for the entire oceanic food web. But their role doesn't stop at the food chain. Jellyfish also contribute to the health of our oceans by aiding in nutrient cycling. When a jellyfish dies, it sinks to the ocean floor, where it decomposes and releases nutrients back into the water. These nutrients are then used by other marine life, including the microscopic phytoplankton, the very base of the marine food chain. Jellyfish also play a role in carbon cycling, helping to trap carbon in the deep sea. When they die and sink to the seafloor, they take with them the carbon they've consumed in their lifetime. This process, known as the jelly pump, helps remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, playing a small but important part in mitigating climate change. As we've seen, jellyfish are not just beautiful creatures, but also key players in the marine ecosystem. Their role is multifaceted, from maintaining the balance of the food chain to contributing to nutrient and carbon cycling. So, the next time you marvel at the grace and beauty of a jellyfish, remember, they're not just floating around aimlessly. They're hard at work, playing their part in the grand scheme of the ocean's intricate web of life. With changing ocean conditions, what does the future hold for jellyfish? A question that has been on the minds of scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. Our world is changing at a rapid pace, and the effects of climate change and ocean pollution are becoming more apparent. These changes pose significant challenges to all marine life, and jellyfish are no exception. The rise in ocean temperatures, increased acidity, and the proliferation of pollutants are all factors affecting the delicate balance of our oceans. Climate change, in particular, has a profound impact on jellyfish populations. Warmer waters can lead to a surge in jellyfish numbers as these creatures thrive in higher temperatures. This increase can disrupt the balance of marine ecosystems, as jellyfish may outcompete other species for food and habitat. On the other hand, ocean pollution, especially in the form of plastic waste, poses a different kind of threat. Jellyfish often mistake plastic for their favorite food, plankton. Consuming plastic is harmful and can be fatal to them. However, jellyfish are resilient creatures. They have survived for over 500 million years, weathering mass extinctions and significant shifts in our planet's climate. Their ability to adapt and thrive under changing conditions is a testament to their resilience. That being said, the future of jellyfish is intertwined with the future of our oceans. As jellyfish populations continue to ebb and flow with the changing tides, it's a stark reminder of the broader issues at hand. The protection of these creatures and their habitats is paramount, not only for their survival but for the health of our and ultimately our planet. Conservation efforts, reducing pollution, and mitigating the impacts of climate change are all critical steps towards preserving the delicate balance of our marine ecosystems. As stewards of the ocean, it's up to us to ensure the survival of these extraordinary creatures. Their future, like ours, depends on the choices we make and the actions we take today. Let's make them count. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of jellyfish, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating marine explorations.